Have you ever wondered how the ancient nomads managed to traverse the vast, uncharted lands of our planet? As we delve into the annals of history, we'll find that the story of travel is as old as humanity itself. In the beginning, travel was a necessity, an integral part of survival. Our prehistoric ancestors roamed the earth, following the herds they hunted and retreating from harsh weather. These early humans made use of rudimentary tools and their own 2 feet to cover great distances over land and sea. Fast forward to the Bronze Age, and we see the invention of the wheel, a groundbreaking development that revolutionized travel. No longer were humans restricted to their immediate surroundings. With the advent of chariots and carts, they could explore further and faster, establishing trade routes and expanding their territories. The classical era brought with it a new form of travel, seafaring. The Phoenicians, Greeks, and Romans constructed impressive ships, enabling them to navigate the Mediterranean and beyond. These maritime explorations led to the discovery of new lands and cultures, opening the world up in a way that was previously unthinkable. In the Middle Ages, the Silk Road became a significant travel route, linking east and west. It was not just about trade, it was about cultural exchange, with travelers bringing back ideas, technologies, and even cuisines from distant lands. The Age of Discovery marked a significant turning point in the history of travel. Great explorers like Christopher Columbus and Vasco da Gama set sail on epic voyages, charting new routes and continents. These explorations were precursors to the global interconnectivity we enjoy today. With the Industrial Revolution came the advent of the steam engine, making travel faster and more efficient. Trains and steamships became the preferred modes of transportation, shrinking distances and transforming the way people perceive travel. The 20th century ushered in the era of aviation. The Wright brothers' first flight in 1903 marked the beginning of a new chapter in travel history. Today, we can cross continents in a matter of hours, thanks to the advances in aviation technology. Travel has indeed come a long way, from the foot trails of our ancestors to the jet trails in our skies. Each era brought with it innovations that made travel easier, faster, and more accessible. To summarize, the history of travel is a fascinating journey in itself. It started with survival-driven migrations of early humans, progressed to wheel-driven chariots and carts of the Bronze Age, ventured into the high seas during the Classical era, connected east and west through the Silk Road, made groundbreaking discoveries during the Age of Discovery, accelerated with the steam engine in the Industrial Revolution, and finally took to the skies in the 20th century. So, the next time you board a flight or set sail on a cruise, remember that you're part of a long, rich history of human exploration and adventure, a history that has shaped our world and will continue to shape the future of travel.